This is Vicki from the Windows Club. If you encounter the error, "We couldn't install some updates because the PC was turned off" on your system, then please read through this article on the website, or simply watch through this video for the resolution. The first solution is to delete the contents of the Catroot2 and SoftwareDistribution folders. This has been explained over a separate article and video. The second solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. On the next page, select Other Troubleshooters. Now search for the Windows Update Troubleshooter in the list and click on Run corresponding to it. Lastly, you can consider manually installing the latest Windows Update on your system. Go to catalog.update.microsoft.com. In the search bar, search for the KB number of the update you wish to download. Hit Enter to check the list of the updates. Download the desired file and install it on your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.